Okay, so Workbench Editor Centered Layout Auto Resize controls if the centered layout should automatically resize to maximum width when more than one group is open. Once only one group is open, it will resize back to the original centered width. So, okay, so what's centered layout? What's that? And the centered layout shows up in Zen mode. And you can enter Zen mode by pressing Command K, Z. And this is Zen mode, so full screen, no distraction free editor. And you can press Command K and then Z again. And by the way, Command K just it's waiting for a second key. Then it's not Command K Z, it's Command K. Then you don't press anything. You release the keys and then you press Z. So it's I guess this is called a key chord. Okay, so this is centered layout, right? And if you disable centered layout, just to show you the difference, this is uncentered layout. So centered layout is pretty useful, in my opinion. And this setting here pertains to what happens when you have groups. So let's create a group. And notice what happens when we go to Zen mode and centered layout. Because we have a group, now we don't have centered layout, right? We have the whole screen being occupied. Let's leave the group. So if we set this to false, what we will have now is still a centered layout, even with groups, which makes for a really bad developer experience. So I think that leaving this setting set to true is actually really nice, but let's first turn that off. So where were we? There we go. Let's set this to true so that when we go into Zen mode and have a centered layout, but we have groups, in that case, the layout will expand to full screen.